All right, guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the MaxAir Predator Pro Kit for the Yamaha Vstar 1100. This seems like really good quality. This seems like a good metal. I'm excited about that. These seem just like standard K&N. These are good air filters. Comes with tightening screws, just a flathead screw. Yeah, pretty standard stuff here. This seems like good quality. I'll have to see how it handles in the future. It just seems like standard rubber material. Seems like heavy duty metal. Yeah, I like this. This is good so far. All right, guys, so before you take the tank off, make sure that you unplug this little thing that was in here. This comes out of the tank. Make sure that you turn this to off. And then when you take this off, since there's still gonna be fuel in there, you might wanna get a cup. And usually somebody kicks that over because a lot of people come in here. But just pull that off and then put the tube in the cup. To make sure that no gas gets on the floor or like anywhere down there. What I'm gonna have to do to get these in there is there's a little screw. It's really hard to get to because it's actually, let's see, where is it? So it's actually down. You can't even see that. You're not gonna be able to see that, but under here, there is a reseated flathead screw that controls the mixture. And that's why I bought these, because as you can see, you barely gonna be able to get to that. What I'm probably gonna have to do is I have a elbow flathead screwdriver I'm probably gonna have to put in there to get out. If I can't get it out, I'm gonna have to take this whole thing off, which is gonna suck. I've done this a lot of times, and this is the hardest part, getting this carburetor out. If y'all want, I can actually make a video how to do that. It sucks, but I would like to show y'all how to do that. But right now, that's what we're gonna do. Try to get that in there. So now what I'm gonna do is put the white paint on these, and then what they don't tell you about these that they send you is that you need the original spring, washer, and O-ring that is in this original piece, mixture screw. So if you lose this piece, you're SOL. You're gonna have to buy either another spring, washer, and O-ring, or a whole nother thing like this if they don't sell it separately. But yeah, they did not tell me that, but good thing I still had those. So I'm gonna put the white paint on this and then transfer over all the parts on here onto here. So I went ahead and put some red paint on there just because the white, couldn't see it as good. But I got the spring, washer, and O-ring transferred over. Pretty self-explanatory. spring goes first, then the washer, then the O-ring. I'm gonna spray this with a little bit of carb cleaner just because I've got a little bit of dust on it, just for safe measure. And then what they tell you to do is to put it where it was originally, but where I had my screws originally were not good. So I'm just gonna lightly seat this, spin it out 3 turns. Hopefully that's good. But the cool thing about this is if it's not, then I can adjust it. Once I warm it up and start it, I can make it where it needs to be. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so for these, pretty much all you're gonna do is this piece goes in here like that. Should just seal right in. Yep. I'm guessing there's gonna be a little gap right here. That's probably gonna be okay. Yeah, if you can see inside of there, it's seating pretty flush. So there is gonna be a gap. All you gotta do is put them in there like that. So yeah. So first, what you're gonna do for this is there's a little breather that comes out of the engine, and what it has is a little clip right here. You're gonna wanna pull this down and back so you can stick this in right there, inside that, and then you're gonna attach these little nipples onto the top. Wow. So after all that, this is what the finished product looks like. That is really cool. Compared to what used to be on it, to that, I like that a lot. The 2 little breather tubes in there, connected it right here. That looks really good. So mean looking. That's awesome. That is really cool. Well, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll probably make an updated video to see if there's any changes in horsepower or anything like that, throttle response. But it's a really simple setup. It didn't take that long. The only trouble I really had was with the air to fuel mixture screws. But other than that, it was really easy. Didn't take me long at all. I really like this product. Well, thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you'll have any questions. Probably one of the questions is gonna be about the seat. That is from Bobber Cycle. I think that's what they're called. That was a pain in the ass to put on. I don't have a video for that, but they claimed to be a bolt-on. It kind of was. The real problem was trying to shave all this down to try to get it to fit. But yeah, I really like how that turned out. But yeah, it was all right. Thanks for watching the video.